Everyone, today we're doing a menu walkthrough. Animal Atlas.
Animal Atlas.
Animals and Us.
Animals and Us. There's a super tall giraffe, guys.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, play all.
Play all.
Episodes.
Look at that tall giraffe.
Who needs our help?
Who needs our help? A rhinoceros?
Who's at the aquarium?
Who's at the aquarium? Fishy.
Who's at the zoo?
A giraffe. It's tall.
Trailers. Sid the Science Kid.
Dive
Ollie Dive.
Ollie on dive.
Word World. Animal Atlas. Pakayo. Skunk Fu. Will and DeWitt. Hooray for Huckle. Mighty Machines. Languages. Language. English
or
Spanish.
And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.